some buttercream on the tray so the cake will actually stick to the tray with the buttercream. Now, cake layer, squish it in, right in the center. Add a good buttercream layer on top of that. Cake layer 2. I will explain the sizes that I'm using for this once I stack everything up. Then you will understand better what sizes are best. When I mean the sizes, I'm actually talking about the cake layer size, which you'll realize soon. I'm going to explain why there's a different 2 sizes in this bubble tea cake that I'm making. It's like this cup, the bottom is actually smaller compared to the top. So rather than having a lot of waste cake from cutting the same 6-inch cake into the smaller size at the bottom, I made a 5-inch for the bottom and then 6-inch for the top part. So basically I don't have to cut anything here, I just need to trim this part and then make sure everything flows in together to create this shape. Now, since this has the shape that I'm after, it's not that neat yet, but the next step will cover this up. So I need to clean this first and then I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna reuse the buttercream that I had on the sides, which fell off from the pieces that I cut off just before. But I'm gonna reapply them because there's no point wasting it. Unless you're gonna eat it, then yeah, you can not use it for the cake, but I'm gonna apply it back on the cake because this cake is gonna be covered with the fondant on top, so you can't actually see if the buttercream's a little bit messy inside. Doesn't really matter. Always start at the bottom, secure with buttercream, enough buttercream, before you move on to the top part. And you can definitely, like any of these gaps, can easily be filled with the buttercream, and in the end, if it looks smooth and the shape is there, then that's all that matters. The spatula. Obviously when I do a normal cake, I go straight, but in this case, this is supposed to go in an angle like that, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then when you go around, you'll notice how there's not enough buttercream on some parts. All you need to do is just reuse the buttercream that's on the scraper and then put it back on those parts. So it's not looking as smooth, but you don't actually have to make it that smooth because I'm gonna put fondant around this. So it just needs to be set now. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 1 day. So just gonna need to roll it out. I'm gonna try to keep a rectangle shape as much as possible, not a long rectangle shape.
Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh,
And then you just cut right at the end.
I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you. I might fuck up, make a mess. Get so drunk I don't make sense. You're right there to cool me down. Oh, every time I need to vent. Yeah, lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you. I got you all to myself. I don't need anyone else. I got you all to myself. When I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. Oh, oh.